Hello viewers, welcome to Quick Mathematics. Find the value or values of s for which this equation is equal to 3. The symbol used here indicates determinant of a matrix. So determinant of a matrix. So this problem is on determinant. So this symbol of absolute value clearly indicates determinant. This matrix is 2 by 2. The first row, the entries are 3s plus 2, s minus 2. The second row, the entries are s plus 2 and s plus 1. If you take it column wise, this is the first column and this is the second column. So let's take the quick solution. So this is the equation once again. So when we are evaluating determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, you take difference of the product of the two diagonals, where you start with the main diagonal. So this is the main diagonal. So you take the product and this is the second diagonal. So the main diagonal, the product is this, the difference is minus, this is the second diagonal, the product of it, you equate everything to 3. Next thing is to expand. So when we are expanding, we take all the terms in the first bracket to multiply the second bracket. So the first term, the first bracket is 3s times second bracket s plus 1. That gives 3s squared plus 3s. The second term in the first bracket is plus 2 times first term and second term. That gives plus 2s plus 2. Because of this minus sign, we need to put everything from this second term in a bracket before the sign will open the bracket. So the first term is s times s plus 2. That is s squared plus 2s. The second term minus 2 times s plus 2. You have minus 2s minus 4 equal to 3. Okay, so we open the other side, then we add like terms as well. So we have 3s squared. If you add 3s plus 2s, you have 5s, then plus 2. From this second side, plus 2s minus 2s is 0. If you open the bracket with minus sign now, you have minus s squared. This minus times minus 4 is plus 4 equal to 3. So what we have here is a quadratic equation because of power 2. So we have to transfer this 3 to the left hand side. So before then, if we take 3s squared minus s squared, we have 2s squared, then plus 5s. 5 has no other term to be added to it. So 2 plus 4, that is plus 6. You transfer plus 3, you have minus 3. So when these two terms are simplified, you have plus 3 and the other terms 2s squared plus 5s. The next thing is to factorize. Okay, when factorizing, since the coefficient of s squared is not equal to 1 but 2, multiply 2 by this 3, you have 6. So you look for two factors of 6, that the sum is 5 and the product is 6, but you do that in terms of s. So for us to get 5s, you attach s to the factors 2 and 3. That is what you have here. So when you add 2s plus 3s, you have 5s. If you multiply 2 and 3, you have 6. That is the product of A and C. Okay, the purpose is to have 4 terms that you group together, 2 in each group. So this is the first group, this is the second group. So the same thing you have here, it comes twice. From the first group, 2s is common. The term that is common, you factor it out and use it to divide the terms in the bracket. So if you divide 2s squared by 2s, you have s. Divide 2s by 2s, you have 1. From the second group, 3 is common. You divide 3s by 3, you have s. Divide 3 by 3, you have 1 equal to 0. From this stage now, you can see that s plus 1 is common. If you factor out s plus 1, you are left with 2s plus 3, which forms the second bracket equal to 0. At this point, you equate each term to 0. That is s plus 1 equal to 0, or 2s plus 3 equal to 0. If you transfer the constants plus 1 plus 3 to the other side, that is the right hand side, you have s equal to minus 1 or 2s equal to minus 3. To get s from here, you divide both sides by 2. So you have s equal to minus 1 or minus 3 over 2. So this is the quick solution. For updates, follow Voice of Peter Course via YouTube at Peter Course Simplified Maths. To do that, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it to your friends, your colleagues, your classmates, your students. You can also follow Voice of Peter Course via Facebook, Instagram at Peter Course Simplified Maths. For questions and inquiries, use the comment section. We attend to them. Goodbye.